Alright, so what I like to do is give a quick breakdown of what I'm going to go through in the video so you have an idea of what I'm going to talk about. So let's jump right into it. Who's this video for? This video is for someone that wants to add additional products to their store by looking at what their competitors are selling, so they have an idea of what to look out for when it comes to doing competitor research. What will I show you in this video? I will show you how to check your competitor's store so that you can find top selling products. Secondly, I'm going to show you how to use Terapeak Research, which is an eBay software that allows you to see recent selling data for a particular product. And thirdly, I'm going to show you how to check Alibaba to see if the product is also available for you to import yourself. One more slide. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Let's go. All right, so we're going to get right into it right now. If you remember my video from last week or maybe a couple weeks ago, where I showed you that this product was doing well, which is an electric tooth cleaner. So in that video, I broke down the steps of how to find out whether or not it's a top selling product, and I walked you through the entire process. But now in today's video, I'm also going to use the same seller, and I'm going to show you what to do to find out what other products they're selling so that you have an idea of how to look at your competitors so you know what products they're selling. So the first thing I do is I come to this page here, listing page of the product. And what I do is that I click on this link right here where it says visit shop. All right, so once I've clicked on visit shop, it's going to take me to this page right here. And then what I'm going to do now is click on this part here where it says sort, and I'm going to click on best match. So once you've clicked on best match, it's going to bring up the list of all the main products that they're selling. So the product that we're going to click on and we're going to look at is this video wireless Wi-Fi doorbell. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click into it, and straight away we can see that 11 has sold in the past 24 hours, which is obviously a lot to sell, especially when you're selling them at $28.99. All right, so I'm going to click into the sold link right now, and I'm going to check if he's selling them daily and consistently. So as we can see, the last one that he sold was on the 18th, and he sold quite a few yesterday on the 17th, because today is the 18th of August, and then on the 16th, 15th, 14th. So this is a product that's selling every single day. So straight away we can see that he sold 100 since the 12th of August. So within 6 days he sold 100 of these. What I'm going to do now is take this same product over to Terapeak, and then I'm going to check whether or not it's actually selling well using Terapeak to confirm the data. To check Terapeak Research, we're going to go back to the main eBay homepage. So to find Terapeak, what we're going to do is that we're going to go to Research, click on Terapeak Research. All right, so once we're in Terapeak, what we're going to do is that we're going to type in the name of the product, which is wireless doorbell. And then we're going to select the right category. Once we've done that, I'm going to set the date range to the 1st of August to the 18th of August, just so that we can see how it's sold in August alone. And then as always, we're going to click on new, fixed price, best offer accepted. And then we're going to click on research. And then we're going to sort the sales by largest to smallest. Okay, cool. So straight away we can see a 42% sell-through rate, which is very good. It means that just less than half of the people that are selling this product on eBay have managed to sell it. And as we can see, there's over 663 sellers currently selling this product. So you've got a fairly high chance of being able to sell it yourself if you wish. Sorry to interrupt the video. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like it, as it helps me out in a big way. Scroll down below as well, hit the subscribe button. If you're finding any value in the video, comment it as well. Let me know that you're finding value in it so I can continue to release more eBay videos just like this one. Let's get back to the video. And we can also see that the eBay account that's selling the most has done £7,000 in sales just within 18 days alone. So I'm going to click into it just to confirm if it's the same seller that we was looking at in the beginning, and as we can see, it's the same one. So these are the basic steps that I go through when it comes to me checking what products my competitors are selling, so that I have an idea of what products I can add to my stores, depending on whether or not the product is actually selling well, using Terapeak to double check it. So finally, what we're going to do is that we're going to go to Alibaba.com and just check if it's available for us to import. Let's do that right now. If you're new to my channel and you don't know why I'm using Alibaba, it's because it's the best place to find suppliers in China, especially when it comes to products on eBay. This is the place where I normally come to when it comes to me doing my product research, for me to know whether or not I'm going to be able to import it myself. I've done videos previously on how to find suppliers on Alibaba, so I'm going to link it above and link it below so you can double check them if you want. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to double check whether or not I can find the specific doorbell that we looked at, that we already know that's doing well on eBay, to see if we can find it on Alibaba. So to do that, what I'm going to type in is wireless doorbell and then click search. So what I'm mainly trying to do is see if I can find the exact one. So I'm going to go back to the listing right now so I have a better idea of what it looks like. So I can see that there's a circle, circle, and then circle. All right. Okay, so this looks like the product right there. Circle, circle, and then circle. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's very similar. Might not be the exact same, but it's kind of similar. But we're not going to look at this supplier because they've only got 1 year. And if you've watched my videos as well, you will know that I look for minimum 5-6 years when it comes to choosing a supplier. All right, so here's another one. This one's 7 years. So, okay, so at least now we know that we'll be able to import it if we need to. Let me try find another supplier, because when it comes to doing supplier research as well, you need to make sure that you have a number of suppliers that you can compare the prices and everything else to. And there we go. There's another one right there. And this one's been on Alibaba for 10 years. So I'm sure if we keep scrolling, we should be able to find another one. So what I've shown you in this video is how to check a competitor's eBay store to find out what products they're selling using the best match filter option. I've shown you what you need to do once you found the product in terms of taking it over to Terapeak, checking the selling data so you can check the total sales and the sell-through rate. And I've also shown you the process of how to find out whether or not it's available for you to import yourself. So with all the steps that I've shown you in this video, you should be able to do your own competitor research so that you can have a little bit more success on eBay. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, don't forget to like the video as it helps the channel out in a big way. I really appreciate that. Allows me to make more content that helps you out with your eBay and Shopify stores. Don't forget to scroll down below as well, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss the weekly videos I'm going to be releasing helping you with your eBay and Shopify business. Also add me on Instagram, DM me, I'm responding to DMs. Comment down below as well what you thought of the video as I'm responding to all comments. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. Stay safe out there. Peace.